Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little Christmas trees. These are by far my best selling item at craft fairs right now, and you can make these any height you want. You can make them any color you want. You can incorporate them into different displays, but these are really a hot item right now. So stick around, let me show you how I build them. First, we're going to start off by squaring up 2x4 and cutting off the round edges just so we can get everything nice and square. Then we're going to measure over 1.5 inches, and we're going to make some 1.5 inch strips. These trees consist of 30-degree angles, so what we'll do is we'll slide our miter saw over to 30 degrees. Then we'll take our first 1.5 inch board and we'll cut our first 30-degree starting point. So your board should look something like this, and then we're just going to flip it over and cut as perfect of a triangle as we can to start with. So this will make the bottom of the triangle roughly 1 11/16. Our second piece down will end up being 2 13/16, which will give us roughly 1/4 inch overhang from piece to piece. Next up is our third piece, coming in at 3 7/8 from long tip to long tip, end to end. And then our fourth and final piece will come in at 5 inches, and it's the same long end to long end. Now that we've got all the pieces cut, let's get ready for the glue up. Like I do so many times before, I use my table saw as a workbench. Let's cover that up so we don't get any wood glue on it, and then we'll glue the pieces together. If you don't have one of these self-centering measuring tapes, you're missing out. So what I'll do here is I'll put a center mark in each one of these on the long ends so that I can line them up and make sure I have them perfectly centered. Then I'll just draw a straight edge on them, and then I can line the mark up as I start to glue. Now I'm using Titebond 3 wood glue on these, but not because I expect it to be outdoors, but it just happened to be the closest thing I could reach. So get these glued up, then I'll put a clamp on them. This is probably a little overkill because they're not going to be really stressed much. But like I said, these are real easy to make, and these are probably my top sellers at craft fairs. If you haven't, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.